So, good evening, dear students, and as you know that my name is Santhosh, and I am here to start the main content of our English continuation topics. Now you see here, as yesterday we have seen completely overview of the examination pattern. So there we came across like a transformation of sentences is there, so it is very important bit, and therefrom we are getting 8 marks, so we are known about that. Now see here, and most of you, it is a very simple topic, and only you know need to do, just you have to listen peacefully, just 5 minutes. I will not take this video more than 5 minutes. If you watch this 5 minutes, then you will be getting 2 marks. Okay, now you see here, question tag. Question tag. Question tag. Now you see here, sir, you have written here question tag, it is fine, but what do you mean actually question tag is? So these are the short expressions to confirm whether the information is exact or not. Okay, for that purpose we use question tags for confirmation of the given information or the heard information, so that we use question tag. Let us see here, I'll introduce two formulas here. I will not strain your brain, I will introduce two formulas over here. Now just listen here. So these are two types of question tags, like positive tagging and negative tagging. So what is positive tagging and negative tagging? Let us see. What is positive tagging and negative tagging? Okay, when we'll take examples, don't worry now. Now just see. Here you see, we have first formula. Let us take negative form. Okay, negative form of question tag, that is auxiliary plus not, okay, plus subject. The second one is auxiliary plus subject. Now this is to those candidates who don't even know what is auxiliary, what is this means. This means is nothing but not. Okay, this is nothing but not. And what is subject? To those, don't worry, to those who don't know what is this basic meanings, just we'll go for them in detail only for 1 minute. Now you see here, auxiliary is something we refer in any sentence. There are B form auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Again, I am introducing here two words. They are B form auxiliaries. B form auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Now you see now here, what are B form auxiliaries, what are modal auxiliaries. Now you have to remember few of this. Okay, no need to remember, we use this B form auxiliaries in our day-to-day life regularly, such as, for example, is, was, were, am. Okay, these all are B form auxiliaries. Now what are modal auxiliaries? Modal auxiliaries have, has, have, has are modal auxiliaries. So from where the have, has came, let us see for small 1 minute. Okay. I am going to school. I am going to school. Here this is one sentence. This is what kind of sentence? It is declarative type of sentence. In declarative type of sentences, a sentence, it starts with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. And here what is subject? Subject is I. I is a subject. Because why I is a subject? In a sentence, an action performed by whom? Okay, that is what subject is. Here school is object. Okay, school is object. Just listen now. Object. Here why school is object? Because subject is working on object. Okay, on object, nothing but here we are saying that subject is working for the object, nothing but he is going to school. So just for your understanding, you remember this. Just subject will do work, nothing but subject is in motion and school is in constant position, nothing but it can't be movable. Just remember that. Okay, now this is subject and this is object. And for your sake, now you just see, since we are discussing here auxiliaries, this is what is helping verb. Okay, this is what is helping verb. This is what helping verb. Or auxiliary verb, you can also say auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Okay, you can also say linking verb. Okay, helping verb, auxiliary verbs, linking verb. Any, the word is same. Okay, word is same, but the names have given to them differently. Okay, now you see here. Now you see, I am going to school. She is going to school. Okay, she or he is going to school. Now can you tell me what is the subject here? She is the subject. Is our auxiliary be form verb. Now I was in the school yesterday. Okay, I was in the school yesterday. So that is what model or sorry, not model. This is a be form auxiliaries. We were in the school yesterday. Nothing but here past form of singular verb. Okay, singular subject and present form of sorry, I am very sorry. Present past form of singular subject and past form of plural subjects. Here singular and plural, it depends upon the number of counting. So for example, I am a singular person. So if I want to refer myself in past, I must have to say that I was. Okay, I was. I were can also be used because it is in certain situations that we will be discussing in some other video. But here you see, now me and my friends are or were. Are is in present present time. Are also you can write. Okay, this is in present tense. But here were. Me and my friends were in hotel. Okay, were in a hotel when something have happened. Okay, so here you see, when more than two people are involved, we use in past tense were as an auxiliary verb. So what are auxiliary verb? So here you see going. Okay, going is V4. V4 main verb. So what is V4? V nothing but verb. V1 is base verb. For example, go. Okay, went, gone. Go, V1, went, V2, gone, V3, going, V4, goes is V5. These are 5 kinds of verb forms that we have. For example, eat, ate, ate, eaten, eating and eaten, eats, eats. So this kind of, these are small introduction to this. Now, modal verbs are have, has. This comes from the tenses. We will be discussing on one more video what are the tenses. Okay, but for example, this is only for your examination approach. I am not teaching here everything in detail, but I can stick here to introduce you this concept. So we will go with the question tags now. I am referring this not also now. Now you just see. We'll take some more examples and we'll get an understanding of this. Since we understood that what is auxiliary and what is subject, now let us practice. Okay, positive and negative both. Now, in any sentence, if you are looking word not is there, okay, not is there, nothing but it is in negative form. Okay, not is nothing but negative. Remember that, not negative. Say not negative. Okay, not negative. When there is a sentence in negative form, you have to use this formula to convert into positive form. So negative to be converted into positive. Negative to be converted into positive. Shall we take one example? Okay, so we will take one example and we look at in deep. Now we see here. Negative. Our sentence should be in negative form. She did not go to school. She did not go to school. Now you see here. C is subject. C is subject. Did is helping verb. Helping verb nothing but auxiliary verb of do, did, done. Okay, doing and do's. Okay, this is what five forms. Now you see, did, not is already given. This is in this is not is there in the sentence. So what we have to understand is we have to use this formula. In this formula, only auxiliary to be there and subject must be there. Now you see here. How to convert into positive form. Did she? This is what your answer is. Okay, did she? That is what your answer is. Because did is auxiliary, she is subject. What we have written? Did plus subject. That is what is question tag is all about. Now we see. I'll take one more example for your understanding. Here comes little tricky. I am making you here. Now Sunita, same. Sunita did not do her homework. Sunita did not do her homework. Now you see here, Sunita, noun, all nouns can be subjects. Did not. Did is auxiliary, not is negative. So sir, this is in negative sentence. So we have to use this auxiliary plus subject formula. So now you see here. But according to the formula, what we can use is did Sunita. Did Sunita. This is right. But this is wrong. You may be thinking this is right, but this is wrong. There is a one disclaimer or note in question tags. You should not be using names, particularly nouns. Always use pronouns. Here I am writing for your sake. Always, always, always use pronouns. Pronouns. Always use pronouns. Now come, what are the pronouns, sir? I am hearing this first time. Okay, what are pronouns? Pronouns are those words. Pronouns are those words which are used instead of nouns. Nouns are name of the things or persons. Now, Sunita, since she is a feminine gender, we use she. Okay, we use the word she. Sunita is she. Okay, Ramu is he. Ramu is he. Sunita is she. Now for you, for example, here you write pronouns are he, she, they. Okay, it. They all are pronouns. You see, they are pronouns. Now I can write Sunita did not do her homework. Now, did Sunita? This is wrong, completely wrong. According to this, we have to use only pronouns. Now you see here, did she? Since Sunita is female, okay, feminine gender, we have to use she. We have to use what? She. We have to use she. Now, Kumar, okay, next one more example. Kumar is not attending this event. This is what our sentences. So not is there, is there, Kumar is there. We understood that Kumar is a subject. And which kind of subject? He is a male gender. Okay, male, masculine gender. Is auxiliary verb and not is negative form of a sentence. Now you see here, when this is given, now we have to write is not he. Is he. Is he. Okay, we are our answer. Since not is given, he is our answer. Okay, is he attending? Okay, we no need to repeat this whole sentence. Our work is to apply these two formulas and ending our answer. Only two words we are writing, and if we are writing only two words, when it comes to the positive conversion and when it comes to the negative conversion, we are writing three words. Now let us see if the question is given in positive form, how to convert it into negative form. Okay, how to convert into negative form. You may be forgetting this after few minutes, so please I request you all to note down. Now you see here, we convert here positive. Okay, positive to the negative into negative. Positive to negative conversion. Now you see here. Now question, she is coming, she is coming, no, she is going tomorrow. She is going to Warangal. Okay, something else. She is going to Warangal. Now in this sentence, have you seen anywhere that word not is there? No, there is no not. So this sentence is in this form, positive form. But for yourself, I have to write here negative, 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 positive, positive, negative and positive. Now you see here, she is going to Warangal. Now you see, since there is no word not mentioned here, that is why we must have to add not and bring this sentence into negative form. See here, we know that this is auxiliary or B form auxiliary or linking verb or a helping verb. This is subject. Okay, this is subject. Now you write here is not she, is not she. Okay, is not she, or most of the time you have to write here like isn't she, isn't she. This is your answer. Both can be accepted, both can be accepted, but this is appropriate, very short form of using question tags. This one is appropriate answer. Now one more for your practicing. Now Hemant, Hemant, Mahesh, Mahesh is okay. Coming to school, coming to school. Now our question time. Since Mahesh is noun is given, but we have to use pronoun. So is Mahesh is most of the time it is male gender, so we have to use is not, is not, isn't he, question tag. Now this is how you are writing question tags. Let me go through the ones B form auxiliaries, how to convert. For example, how to convert quickly, and I will end up this video. Now you see, now you see. Am, I, okay, is, was, we, were, they are. Okay, see here, these all are verb. See, no, I should not take this, but now you see, only auxiliary forms let me take for your understanding. That is little confused. Okay, confused form of explanation. Now you just see here, is, am, okay, was, were, okay, was, were, okay. Now you see, is not, isn't, okay, I am, am I, this is special case, this is special case. Wasn't, okay, was, wasn't, weren't, weren't. Okay, these are, you can later add question tag, add question tags. Now little one more thing I have to explain you here. Now close the door, close the door, close the door, close the door, nothing but it is a future action. You are just saying, commanding, close the door. So will you, here we use will. So what is, the is there, object is there, this close is there, but where is auxiliaries are here? There is no auxiliary. Then we must have to bring auxiliary, like see, will you close the door, nothing but it is invisible form of object is there. Okay, subject is commanding. These are imperative type of question tagging. Okay, this is that will you. Okay, will you. Okay, let's, now this is important, let's go to party. Let's go to party. Now you see here, there is no, since go is a main verb, it is main verb is given, but there is no auxiliary. But how can we understand? Let's go. Now shall we. Okay, shall we must have to add this shall we. Okay, shall we. This is very important, Nana. This one and this one, these are futuristic actions, and we have to use will and shall. Okay, will and shall, this is modal auxiliary, and this is also modal auxiliaries. Modals are nothing but can, could, might, may, shall, should, would, could. So these all are modal auxiliaries. So here will. Okay, these all are modal auxiliaries. So these are may question come from this area. So here, sir, you are explaining in this way, but there in examination they don't give in this format. Okay, they don't give in this format. They will be giving us one passage. Okay, one passage. We have to understand that passage, and we have to understand the passage of tense. Okay, in which tense does that passage is written? Okay, is that passage is written? Now we just see here, Nana. What I see is, now for example, is Abel was happy with his daughters. Okay, is Abel was happy with his daughter. Here there is no word is given, and you know that from where this sentence I am picking up. This is from Dear Departed 1 and 2. Okay, this is from Dear Departed 1 and 2. Now we see here, we know that Abel was not happy with his daughters. Still we know, but how to write? So there is that nothing but is auxiliary. Okay, is auxiliary. So here we have to, isn't he. Abel is a male. Okay, Abel is a male here, there in the story. Okay, now question may be coming in this way. Okay, so is not he. Now Abel was not happy with his daughters at all. Question is this way. Now not is there. So in that not is there, is not is there. Oh sorry, was not is there. Wasn't he is given in this form. Wasn't he given in this form. But our conversation to be in this way. Okay, was he. Our converted answer is was he. Was not was he. Okay, was not was he. That is what all about question tag is. This is, but these are very important things that you have to remember. If you understand this topic, then you will be getting 2 marks in simple fraction of minutes. You will be getting this. And thank you for watching me. Thank you.